Hi, my name is Todd Larsen, and I'm the CEO of Limitless Cost Reduction Specialists. And I want to welcome you to our BDA program. BDA stands for Business Development Agent, and we came up with that term because you're going to be interacting with clients specifically on your own and being able to bring them to our contract status, where we will provide you a contract agreement and you will be able to sign up those clients to utilize our service offerings in the vendor expense reduction and management space. It's going to be a journey that you'll take with us, and we are looking forward to support you. Now, there'll be twists and turns, as there always is in any new endeavor that you take on, but we know that you're a highly qualified agent and you should be very successful in what you do. The key here is to make sure that we're understanding the client and that we're really bringing to light how our services can help that client do business better than they did before from an expense management venue. Also has to do with giving them visibility to analytics. When we look at our vendor management solution that we have that's software based, as well as giving them a repository to store their documentation and information, and someone to collaboratively or on their behalf manage those vendors with a high level of expertise. Now, you'll be selling two core services for us: billing optimization, which is the combination of an audit plus the optimization and audit. Let's go over audit for a minute. The audit, where we're going to be doing a deep dive analysis and investigation of their invoice line item detail as it pertains to their contractual position and as it's benchmarked across the U.S. to see where their conditions of rates actually stand in comparison to the current marketplace. In addition, we're of course always looking at whether or not they are contractually compliant, those rates, and if there's an error or omission made by the carrier, in this case, or vendor. And in this case, we want to be able to go in and audit that line item, present that finding back to the client, and then also present that back to the vendor to make sure that we can correct that error, receive any refunds or credits that's due to the client. The other side of the service is our contract optimization, where we're looking at redoing their terms, conditions, and rates wherever possible, depending on what the contract conditions are and where they sit in their terms, and being able to give them a better overall go forward position as it relates to the terms, conditions, clauses, SLAs that are specific to how their agreement's been written for them in the client's favor versus the vendor's favor. The second piece is you'll be offering our VMS service, or our vendor management solution software. And in there, it's a fully managed service that separates us and differentiates us from a lot of current offers, and it's not just software. We have a full-blown account manager along with the accountability through a software platform to manage every invoice, every document, and documents being agreements, addendums, inspections, certifications, licenses, and so on and so forth, all with trigger action dates, where we look at individual analysis detail that's related to the contract that could affect terms on an ongoing basis, and or invoices to make sure that we're auditing and optimizing them at every chance we have the opportunity. So those will be our two main services. They're billed in unique ways. One is billed as a share of savings, our billing optimization, and VMS is billed as a ongoing fixed fee associated with how much spend is under management. Of course, we'll go over those details, or already have gone over those details with you prior to this conversation. Most exciting part is that you're going to now be helping your clients drive costs out of their business and providing real, true bottom line results to their P&L. And in this manner, you are going to become closer and closer and tighter as you are a high-end trusted consultant for them already, or are becoming the high-end trusted consultant you always wanted to be by offering limitless cost reduction specialist products. Thank you so much. Over the upcoming months, you'll have a lot of contact from us, mostly via email, so that we're catching you when we can, and so that we're getting you information that you can read as you need. But But we also engage in conversations and webinars and many items that will come up over the next coming months and years and decades to follow. Until we next speak, thank you again for being involved in our program. Our phone number is 407-330-4466, and you can find our information, of course, at www.limitlesstechnology.com or www.lt-crs.com. And all the pertinent information that you need is on our website or will be provided to you by one of our wonderful staff. Thank you so much. Again, we wish you the greatest success and happy hunting.